Hi, my name is Mark. I'm with Muxlab, and we are at CEDIA 2019. And I would like to talk about some of the AV over IP product that we have. So for the entry level, we have 100 megabit per second interface, IP interface, and 720p video. That's our entry product. The next in line will be the 4K 30, 1 gigabit Ethernet interface over IP. Then we have also the 4K 30 or 4K 60 AV over IP again, over a 1 gigabit interface using H.264, H.265 codec. Next, I would like to show you the network controller. It's a mini PC with our software embedded. The network controller will discover all the Muxlab equipment over the network and will create a database and make it available to any application around it to be able to do connections between sources and displays. The next in line is a higher end 4K 60 AV over IP product with a 10 gigabit Ethernet interface. Here we're showing a video wall with 4 TVs. Each TV has a receiver, a Muxlab receiver. Each source has a Muxlab transmitter. With H.264, H.265, we can add also IP cameras, and the IP camera will be picked up by any receiver. As you can see, we have a video wall, but also we have multi-view. So we can create small views inside the screen, the multi-view, the video wall screen. The information about this product is available at muxlab.com, our website, and this equipment can be bought by any distributor such as B&H or any local distributor like through ADI also. And you can also contact your system integrator, and he'll be happy to assist you to contact us for more information or for your installation. It was great talking to you today, and hope to hear from your future projects.
Thank you for joining us here in Denver at the CEDIA Expo to check out all the latest smart home technology. You can find more information about the company we visited and their products in the information box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appbyhome.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.